Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Amin Shahzad, and today I'm with the outside my site. This is actually question somebody asked me about the transmission line, how we do the setting out for transmission line. Here I have a one tower foundations, so I try to explain how we can do this work. For example, for this work I got some coordinates. If you see in my hand, I have this paper, and in paper you can see we have some coordinates. So like here I have this pair numbers, and these are the coordinates. So these coordinates on the bottom and top, four corners, like as you can see on our site, we have here four pillars like this. I can show you the other side. And these are the four corners what I got the coordinates. One is the center coordinate of this pier, like as you can see on the below on my total station. This is the center of this pier, and then I make my offset by myself behind of these templates. As after that one, I make some center for these templates on the top. As you can see on the each templates, I have a center mark with the measurement tip, and then I will do my work. As you can see this on the top, we have this center. So on this center we will continue, and how we will do I explain on the instrument. Let's come with me. Okay, for this work I'll use my total station, same TS09 plus, and here I have a display, main display when the power on. So as you can see in the middle we have a option program, and the first option is Q survey. I'm trying to be display on this mobile because due to some strong light it cannot visible. So in the Q survey, if I click here, we have a display. I'll try to show something because due to some strong light maybe it's not visible clearly. So in this moment I have this F4 key. I press F4 key, and then again, and then if you see on the F1 key, I have a station and set edge set. So what I will do, I'll just simply press F2. For that one, appearance on the angles and the point names. So on the appear, when I fix the 0 points, for example, this is the center of this instrument, and then I'll make a reference on the center. That one I fix on the 0. For 0, what I will do, simply I will press F1 with the setting the 0. So I'll press 0, F1, then my instrument is ready on the angle 0. Because this tower is a square shape, so on square shape we will use 4 angles, 0, 90, 180 and 270 and 360. So this is the way how we can adjust this tower. For example, if our angle is not, when I fix on the center and measure the angle 0, and then I'll mark that on the template the center, I will try to make my cross hairs on the same points. If I got it same, okay, otherwise I have to adjust these 4 legs, and then I can get the center of these templates. So before this template, we are doing for this foundation the pile work, which one I explained on the previous videos how we'll do the pile work. So we'll do the pile work first, and then put on the pile this kind of shutter and make this shutter level. And the second option is templates. We fix temporarily these templates, make a center, and then fix 4 side centers as an angle like 0, 90, 180, 270, what I explained. This is the way how we can set the templates for the transmission line. This is the answer of question what I somebody asked to me on my previous maybe last month on my YouTube. And for the distance, this is the way with this total station how we can set the angle, and the second option how we can make a distance between these 2 points. For example, I have these legs and the second leg, how we can get the distance. For distance, I have to go in my program folder. When I reach on the program, I press OK. And then on the second page where the writing is the survey plus, there is the first option is tie distance. I click on the tie distance, and then second display, which I already explained this tidiness in the previous video. So I just again same method I repeat. So I'll press F4 for the continue. If somebody come on the first time, they need to be fix their job. For job 1 configuration, set the job and set orientation and start. I don't need these things because this one I already done, and also here I need only the angle. The angle I already done with the center point to the center of this template. I put the 0 and then rotate in the 360 degree. So here only I get the distance. So I'll press F4, then the polygonal option, F4 for the continue, and then I measure one by one these all points. For example, I have measured before like 316. I'll find that point. I have this measures. So F4, then 317. I'll find this also, and then F4 for continue. As you can see on the display, we have the equal what we got the distance. In this way we can get the distance from point to point. This is the way how we adjust the distance between two legs, and the angle I told you in the center point to center, that is rotate in the 360. Hopefully I asked in this cleared this question what I asked somebody to me around 1 month before. So if you have any question regarding this video or in my other videos, just let me know in the below comments. I'll try my best to reply as soon as possible. And if you find some problem due to display, actually here is a very sunshine today and display is not very clear. But if you have because this video is only for clear the method how we can do this work. So forgive me if you find some mistakes, but I'll try my best how I do this setting for this tower. And finally, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like, hit the like button and share also to others. Finally, again, thanks for this video and take care. Bye.